In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, which is this one, and when you find it, click on it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine turned blue. That means that auto rotation is now enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same shortcut until it's gray. If you have a bit more time though, you can also go into settings, scroll to hit display, and scroll again to manage auto rotation thanks to this switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!